it's Mandy from Crafty Glam. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys this project I'm working on for my master bedroom. So I'm using our new Grayson boards. This one is the 12.5 by 18.5 size. I have Fuzz the Transfer on my shirt. That's what you see there. And we're gonna align the Hello Handsome off to the right hand side. I'm using a small squeegee and applying some white Chalkology paste. Just cover up the entire silk screen area. We will squeegee off any excess and just put it right back into the jar so we can keep on using it. Once you have it all covered, then we'll just peel it away like so. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. I love it. So let me grab the other chalkboard and we're gonna do another one. And this side we're gonna align it to the left and I'm gonna do Good Morning Gorgeous. So I'm just putting the next one, or the other one we just did right next to it, so I can get them lined up. They are gonna be together above my bed. I'm so excited. So now I'm doing the same thing again, using the squeegee to apply that white Chalkology paste. We're gonna get off any excess, put it back into our jar, and peel it away. You ready? This stuff excites me. Okay, there we go. And then I have one little other project that I'm gonna work on, and that's doing a cute little sign on our new board and base. I'm cutting it apart here. So it's a cute little wood piece and that sticks in here. And I'm using the transfer PS You Are Loved. However, I'm gonna use that top portion that says PS I Love You. And we're just gonna use Love You. It fits perfect on this little board and base. So again, using the white Chalkology paste to cover that area, squeegee off any excess. And ta-da, let me show you guys what I did. Do you love it? I'm so excited. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching.